What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If it is the first time you're touching down on this channel, welcome to Small Feet Big Heat. We talk sneakers, we talk streetwear, and everything in between. Now today I'm coming at y'all with another how to curve your hat video, but today's video is going to be a little bit of a switch up. We're actually going to be trying the brim curve out today, so y'all can see it on the package. It says a perfect curve every time. We're going to be seeing if that's true. Shout out to Brim Curve because they did send this to me. Very simple instructions. It says insert the hat, steam, and wait. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. I have the steamer ready to go. I have my hats here that I'm gonna be steaming. We're gonna start off with the Hat Club Cereal Pack Toronto Blue Jays. We're gonna steam this up. We're gonna see what the brim curve has to offer. So the steamer is ready. We just gotta get these stickers off. Gotta remember to take the stickers off. So there the stickers go. And it says insert is the first step. So let's put the hat in here. Normally I would steam before putting it in any type of device, but we're gonna follow the instructions. So the brim curve is on the hat. I have it pushed. It's basically the top of the hat, as y'all can see. I might speed this up a little bit, but basically I'm just gonna steam the entire brim, top bill, and the undervisor. I think the top is good. We're gonna move on to the bottom now. I'm really focusing it on the visor. It's obviously gonna hit other parts of the hat, but just try to focus the steam on the visor. That's where you want the steam to hit. All right, so that's the first two steps. Insert the hat and steam the hat, and now we wait. It doesn't say how long to wait for, but I'm gonna give it a good 5 minutes and then we'll check back in. Okay, so I had this hat sitting here for like 5 minutes. I went and I got my brush. We're gonna give it a little brush down and we're gonna see the results. So let's take this off. Brush the hat a little bit. Y'all take a look at those results. First thing I'm gonna say, the curve is even, which that's a big part of a curve right there. You want your curve to be even. If it's lopsided, it's super noticeable. If it's crooked, it's super noticeable. So the curve is definitely even. I think it's looking good. It's not a super deep curve. It's more of a shallow curve. But for the people who like that, I think it looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and throw it on right quick, show y'all what it looks like. Okay, so here's what it looks like. Like I said, this is definitely a slight curve. You know, there's some people who like a slight curve. There's some people who like more deep hat curve. This is for the people who like a slight curve. Y'all let me know what y'all thinking. The brim curve. Y'all can get this at brimcurve.com. It's a pretty cool little device, but it does say a perfect curve every time. So I feel like trying it out once is not enough. I'm gonna go ahead and try it again for y'all on this hat right here. And we're gonna see if it really does give you that perfect curve every time. All right, I bought the steamer back out. It's heating up. Let's take these stickers off. Boom. First step, put the hat in the curving tool. And when y'all are doing this, make sure you don't curve the hat too much that you break it. You just want to curve it enough that you can get this curving tool, curving band over the visor. That looks good. All right, now we're gonna hit it with the steamer. All right, so the hat is steamed, and I'm gonna leave this one on the brim curve longer than I did this one. So I did this one for about 5 minutes or so. This one I'm gonna leave for about 10-15 minutes and we'll come back to it. All right, so we're back. It's been a little over 10 minutes and we're gonna check the results on the Hat Club Colorado Rockies in just a second, but I did leave this hat on just to show y'all that the hat hasn't flattened back out or anything. It still has that slight curve to it, so you don't have to worry about your hats going flat super quick. It's not gonna do that. But let's go ahead and see how this one worked out, leaving it in the brim curve for longer. I'm hoping that it has more of a deep curve, and it does. So this curve is a little bit deeper than this one. Y'all know this one is a very slight curve. This one looks a little bit deeper, so I'm glad to see that it does do both. If you want a deeper curve, leave it in the brim curve for longer, just wait a little bit longer. And if you want a slight curve, you know, you can take it out sooner. So let's go ahead and try this one on and I'll show y'all what that looks like. So I'm back and I have on the Colorado Rockies joint. Now, just as a reminder, we did leave this one in the brim curve for about 10 to 12 minutes. So a little bit longer than we left the Toronto Blue Jays in the brim curve. That was about 5 minutes. So I'm going to put them side by side on the screen right now. And you can tell for yourself whether you want to leave them in the brim curve for a shorter period of time or a longer period of time. It really just depends on how you like your hat, how much of a curve you like, but here's what it's looking like. And I have to say the whole process was pretty easy. It was 1, 2, 3. You know, you put your hat into the brim curve, you steam it, you let it sit for however long you want to wait, and you good to go. And as someone who steams hats every day, as someone who curves a hat every day, you know, things like this definitely come in clutch. You can check it out at brimcurve.com, and I will leave, you know, all of their information, their Twitter, their TikTok and stuff in the video description, as well as the pinned comment in case you want to check them out. If you enjoyed today's video, remember to like, comment, subscribe, show a small YouTuber some love, and I will check y'all out in the next one.